In this video, we're going to show you how to update your Road Angel stereo. To update your Road Angel stereo, first you need to go to the website and download the upload files onto a USB. Next, while the car is off, you need to locate the USB ports which are found from the back of the stereo. There's two. One is called the Apple CarPlay Android Auto and the other is USB charging. The one that we need to update the stereo is the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once you have the correct USB port, plug in your USB. Again, just make sure the car is off. Once you've plugged in the USB, next you turn the car on. As you can see, the stereo is updating automatically. The system will reboot a couple of times during the update. On the screen, it says upgrade success, so that means your stereo is updated. Now that update's completed, you can now unplug the USB.